Dual employment hunting is happening in the IT industry. Usually, every organization, they will show organization profit result each and every year end. Okay, we are almost reaching year end. Organization want to increase their profit and they want to add additional profit in the organization revenue result. Okay, usually they will work for a different client and they will deliver the software product and they will get the payment. That is how they will earn revenue and they will compute the profit. Now they want to add some additional profit. If they fire their organization people, if they fire their employee, they can add their organization's employees salary cost to the profit so that their profit will increase. Okay, if they want to fire you, they need to give valid reason, but for dual employment they no need to give any reason. Okay, just they will say you did the dual employment which is reflecting the PF account. As per organization policy, we are firing you. Okay, so cost cutting process is happening. If you did the dual employment, happily they will fire you. If you face any problem, okay, or if you want to switch to different organization, you can approach to me. My email ID and UPI ID available in this video description. Okay, all the best, take care, bye bye.